siku, hivyo ndivyo maendeleo yetu yatapanda vizazi na vizazi.
Ready? Is it morning? Well, good evening. As you can see, part of the commissioners are here because this is what we want to say. We have done the 2022 general election in the most effective and efficient manner. We have ensured that all the challenges have been contained, but okay. As you can see, we are part of the commissioners in the IBC. We have conducted the 2022 general election, and we have ensured that we have improved the standards, and we have ensured that we have consistently communicated what is happening. We have partnered with all stakeholders, and we'll say it for a fact that as the Commission, we have done a good job. But some things need to be put out there. As you can see, the four of us, we are here, not at Bomas of Kenya, where the results is going to be announced, because of the opaque nature of how this phase has been handled. We therefore cannot take ownership on the results that